Hey guys, so I want to explain quickly the process on how to make money on Shopify, okay? So now Shopify is the rage, everybody talking about it and how to make money with it, but I think people don't really understand how the process works, okay, to make money with it. So I just wanted to tell you in this quick case study and explain to you how to make money on it easily, okay? So if you're not familiar with it, it's basically an e-commerce platform where you can easily design a website, upload your products, set up checkout, and make a really professional website very quickly and get your products out there. There's a lot of different models you can use. You can use it to upload your physical products you have in your warehouse and send those out to customers when they buy, okay? So the model that a lot of people is using is the dropshipping model. Okay, so let me explain how that works. The very first thing you want to do is find a niche product. Yes, the more of a niche, the better. It has to be very targeted. Okay, like I'm going to show you in this case study. I'm going to show you an example of a product that I've been selling very well time ago and I found was really popular, was the Star Wars bottle opener, okay, which is a very hot product. So basically I type the product here it is. I found it, and Star Wars is an evergreen hot niche, okay, especially when a new movie comes out. So here's what I did. I created an ad. My store was the Star Wars gadgets, okay, and I was promoting my bottle opener, okay, this one right here, which was $1.50 a piece. Next thing that you want to do is source it, okay? And I did it from AliExpress, like I just showed you, okay? I listed it at $0, and the reason was because if customer hits the buy now button and check out, there's actually going to be a shipping charge, which was $9.99. So what a lot of people do right now is this shipping model where they charge $9.99. In AliExpress, I just type the Star Wars bottle opener. You can see that you can buy it for dirt cheap, okay, right here. Basically, I made about $6-7 every time somebody was going from my Facebook ad to my store to buy the bottle opener. Now, remember, Shopify has no internal traffic, okay, which means you can't search for things. So you need to find a niche product, source it for cheap, and I did that from AliExpress. And I sold it for $9.99, even if it's for free because they're shipping, okay? Then drop ship it straight from AliExpress or to the customer that purchases on Facebook and making a profit of $6-7. Then you want to drive niche traffic to the ad, okay? When you target your ad on Facebook, I was putting my ad in front of Star Wars fans, okay? The people were starting to tag their friends, and I was getting a ton of free viral traffic, which I show you later on, which with all the people commenting, I want one, tag this person, etc. All these people are redirected to the ad, and I was paying only a few dollars for the ad, and traffic was completely free. People bought hundreds of these products. So basically, to recap, find a niche product, source it for a very cheap price from China, drive really niche traffic to your ad in order to make money and create a viral ad. And look, these people were going absolutely crazy, okay, commenting on the ad. It was unstoppable. And you know why? Because they are fanatic about Star Wars. They are fans. Think about it. When you are a fanatic, a passionate fan, you don't really care about prices. And that's the truth. Because so they would have even bought it for $20 if I would have sold it at that price. Make sense? So that's how you make money on Shopify quickly and easily. Now, there are hundreds and hundreds of products, different products. For example, in the Star Wars niche, as I'm showing you here, this one, for example, is pretty cool. Maybe a little bit too expensive. You wanna, search products for 50 cents or $1, $1.50. This one is pretty cool. This one right here. And so yeah, you can find a ton of different products from AliExpress and resell them. Just apply the same exact principle. So coming back to this product right here that I sold, it sold like 2,000 units. So what I did was taking the picture from here and put them up on my store. Now I want to show you the exact numbers for the ad campaign that I ran for this particular item. Alright guys, here we go. Let me show you the campaign that I ran for the Star Wars bottle opener time ago, as soon as the movie came out. This was very successful. I ran a website conversions ad, and the ad set name was USM Star Wars fans that I was targeting, mobile 1824. Conversions were absolutely insane. Almost 1,000. It sold like crazy, probably, yeah, because the movie was coming out. So yeah, people went absolutely crazy. I'll show you the Facebook post with all the data, the comments and likes and stuff. The people reached over 600,000. Amount spent 289.44. Post engagement for the ad were 22,337. Frequency 155. 2 cents per cost per post engagement. Now let me show you the targeting that I did. Specifically, the potential audience was 175,000, age group 18-24, people speaking English, of course. Males. Placements were on newsfeed for mobile devices, newsfeed only. Location United States. As interest for my targeting, I used several: Star Wars is life. These were all my interests: Star Wars fans, Galaxy's episodes.com, Star Wars celebrities, lovers, trilogy fanatics. As you can see, this was the final ad. Sites 175,000. Living in the United States, Star Wars. These were the interests that I just showed you. Age 18-24, newsfeed mobile devices, newsfeed only. The ad spend was for this campaign 289.44, and the revenue from this campaign was 1,828. So the total profit from this Facebook ad campaign was 1,538.56. Now the best part was the Facebook fan page post. Grab this awesome Star Wars battle opener here, insert link here. 50% off today, limited quantities. Don't miss out and go buy yours now. Like I said, I promoted this post through my Facebook fan page, and the post got over 12,000 likes, 391 comments, and 1,200 shares.